we talk about how can you find your active subscriptions on your Magicplan app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go down here, you click here on profile and account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, just click here on subscriptions here. So then here in this list, it's going to show for you all subscriptions you have. I have only this here, free subscriptions in here. So can you find it? If you have a lot, can you find it in this list on your app? So that's all you have to do to find it on your app. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking